Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to export your contacts on Zoom. To do that, go ahead and click your account on the upper right and just go to the profile and click on my profile. Now it's going to take you over to your main profile, and if you scroll on the left, you'll find personal contacts. You click on that and you will be able to find all your contacts. And if you want to export them, just simply click on this button right here that says name in the upper left, and it's going to select all the contacts and you can export to CSV. Simply click on export and quickly it's going to export all of those contacts for you. And that's it. You can go ahead and you can open up those contacts and you'll be able to see them in Excel, for example. I'm going to open up this, or you can open up Excel and then, import those as CSV files. So it's going to look much better for you. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and export contacts in Zoom. Very easy and very simple.